friends, welcome back to Feathersuit. In today's topic, I'll be telling about the high flyers and what will be the rules of the tournament if you are entering into a particular tournament. See, friends, there are around 23 basics rules which has to be followed by a fancier as well as the pigeon which you are leaving for raising. Yeah, see, basically, high flyers are nothing but which the pigeons which keeps on flying for a few hours, something like 8 hours, 10 hours, 13 hours, something like that. Based on that, the winner of the tournament will be declared. So the bird which you are seeing is one of the high flyer, which is a female pigeon which has flew for 3 to 4 tournaments and which has made the fancier win that particular tournament. So let's know more about the rules and what should be done and what not should be done. So basically, when you are training a bird, you are supposed to make sure that as soon as you just leave the bird, once after it is flying properly, and the landing should be on one particular place. So and also I'll be sharing all the rules, something like when you should, when you are joining for any tournament, the step of rule number one will be like you are supposed to leave the bird somewhere like 1 or 2 kilometers away from your place. And as soon as you leave the bird, the step two will be like the bird should start flipping itself. As soon as you leave the bird on top, just when you swing the bird on top, so the bird should uh, you know uh, flip by itself. So that is a part of a rule. And the step three will be like something like you should leave the bird somewhere between 7 a.m. To 8 a.m. So that is the time where you are supposed to leave the bird. And more than 10 birds should be placed on the landing area of the bird where it lands. So once after you leave the bird, the umpire will decide whether whether the bird has reached the destination place and it is flying accordingly. And the picture what you're seeing, this is the landing place which I was talking about, where there more than 10 birds should be left. And this is how you are supposed to train your raising birds, so that they'll be practiced on landing on that particular place. So the third step is like when you are when you are registered yourself to a tournament, you are supposed to tell your neighbor fanciers not to leave their bird to fly on that particular day, so that the two birds should not fly, and that is once again illegal, and that will be invalid, so that the chance of getting disqualified will be more. And the one more thing is like umpire decision. As in every tournament, umpire decision will be a final decision, and you are not supposed to argue with them. And once you are leave the bird, so you should also tell your neighbor fanciers, as I was telling earlier. And only the selected breeds are allowed to enter the tournament. So in Karnataka, you are not there are few categories of birds where you are that is allowed and few are not allowed. And once the bird is left, it should be visible every half an hour. So that is one more rule, guys. So all this bird what you are seeing in different compartments are high flyers, and which consist both male and females. It's not only a thing like only male should fly and female should not fly. Many females are equivalent to the males, which flies, and which makes a fancier very proud on that particular day. And also, guys, not all fanciers who has a very good collections of their home breeds or high variety, high mutation breeds will make a name. It all depends on the bird, and it all depends. There is something called luck also, where that will be tested on that particular day. So what you are seeing here is like all the beautiful birds, like I can mention few breeds what you are seeing here, something like Makshi, Tiruval, Grebas, Pilanka, Tamral, Dubas, Chini, Tara, Gerwa, and Regdar. So all these birds, guys, what I was mentioning, all these are the names of these high flyers. So all these birds are, you can see here. So I'll also be showing you what type of how to identify this type of breeds, and how to identify Regdar, Chini, Tamral, Tiruval, Greybag, Spilanka, and Dubas, and every other submutations, and how to make them fly for such a long hours, and what will be the diet during this tournament, and everything. For sure, guys, if you are watching this video, do watch the video completely, so that that will be an kind of motivation for me to come up with a very unique topics. And since I went and shot this beautiful video what you're seeing now in a off season, where this is a time where they leave birds for rest, and they take very good care of them, and sometime they certain birds will be under breeding also. So unlike other exotic birds, even these birds also require special attention and special care during seasons, so that that will be once again entering into the respective state record books. Though in Karnataka, the present record is from the mutation by name Sabja, which has flew for 13 hours 15 minutes. That's still a record, guys. For more interesting and unique videos, you can anytime subscribe my channel, guys. This is Chetan signing off from Feathersuit. Thank you.